2004 Chevy Avalanche with custom wheels, nittos, custom lights. Really nice truck, as you guys can see. Factory, other than that, it's lowered. Got factory converters there and there, wise into a single there. Then what we did is ran 3-inch pipe to his existing 3-inch pipe. Put a FLOWMASTER Super 10, part number 842516. Right there. And then we did a center dump because it's lowered and it was eating. So make sure you guys, if you ever lower these trucks, make sure that the evap canister right there is clearing. So you have to take the spare tire and run the pipe over here, guys, okay? Because this happens. You see how it was dualed out before and he lowered it and didn't know about the charcoal canister and the evap system right there, and it melted it really bad, as you guys can see there. So just always be careful, guys. It's a nice truck though, and there's also fuel lines over here. So as you guys can see there, those are all fuel lines and pillar necks and all that good stuff. So that the best way was to dump it right that instead of running out the back with duals. Because originally he wanted duals, but I didn't know it was lowered. So when we saw it was lowered, that's what we had to do. So it's a good looking truck. There's the exhaust that was on. It's been on it for many, many years. So it finally rotted out and it was time for a new one. So we hooked them up. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Perfect. He had a FLOWMASTER 40 before. We put a 10 to make it a little bit louder. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. That fan is loud. Again. That's a good, nice, deep rumble. Deeper rumble now. I like it. I like those wheels on it. It's a different look than you're used to. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Avalanche, custom lights, custom grill, custom wheels, custom hood. Looks good. I like it. It's different. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.